Supplementary and Assembly is a marketing-based sub-team with a unique set of responsibilities that allows members to get some building and tool handling experience while also being marketing-based. The Supplementary and Assembly sub-team is responsible for construction of the field elements for that year's game. Field elements are the pieces on the field that the robot interacts with. These field elements are used throughout the build season to test prototypes and the final robot to see what works. Additionally, we build bumpers for the robot that are required for competition. Speaking of competition, the sub-team is often called upon for upgrades to the pit, or the space where we work on the robot when it's not in a match during competition. More on the artistic side of things, Supplementary and Assembly, or SUP-ASS as it is often called, designs and builds team-to-team awards that are delivered during competition and makes awards for team members. This is a great sub-team to be on, especially if you're not sure where you fit in yet.